some kids. I've got a set of responsibilities, so I have life insurance. But I don't have one policy. You want to take a guess how many policies I have?
I think you have about 4 or 5.
She's right on, actually. I have 5. 4 with farmers, 1 before I even got to farmers. But that's exactly right, yeah. So that brings up a kind of another question. Wait a sec, why do I have so many? It's easy for her to answer that, but they might like to know. Why would I have so many?
Well, there's different different obstacles throughout life and different milestones through life. So you may get a 10-year term for $250,000 to help protect your mortgage. Now the mortgage is done at 10 years. You don't need that much. Maybe you now need to add, you want to do a permanent policy and now overfund it because you don't need the term there. You don't need that much coverage.
Maybe not as much, but you're changing into for a short term to something now you need a longer term solution.
Yeah,
Right?
and
That's
you're
one.
guaranteeing your insurability for the rest of your life just in case your health changes.
Right. And so my path, as a matter of fact, when I'm sitting down with a client, I'm explaining that it's very normal for people to have more than one policy.
Mm-hmm.
And I explain it into a very simple bell curve, right? At the beginning of our lives, we don't have a lot of responsibility. At the tail end of our lives, we don't tend to have a lot of responsibility. What happens in the middle? And a nice even bell curve is a really comfortable way to describe, things change over time and you're not going to buy one policy for everything, so you just tack on one and then later another, and then eventually you don't need it and you can start to shed them away.
Right.
And then I show them my graph. It's got squirrely lines all over the place, right? Because
Life changes.
life changes, right? Sometimes